The evolution of the universe, from the Big Bang to the present. This captivating video explores the vast cosmic history that has shaped our existence. It delves into the profound changes throughout the universe's evolution, unveiling remarkable insights. The video highlights the explosive birth of the universe in the Big Bang. It explores the rapid expansion, formation of elementary particles, and the epoch of cosmic inflation. Rapid expansion, elementary particles, cosmic inflation. The video showcases the awe-inspiring processes of star formation, galactic collisions, the birth of supermassive black holes. It explores different types of galaxies and the forces that shape their unique characteristics. Before continuing this journey, subscribe for Marie. The video illuminates the formation of protoplanetary disks, birth of planets, and the diversity of exoplanets. Protoplanetary disks, birth of planets, the diversity of exoplanets. It fuels curiosity about the potential for habitable worlds and extraterrestrial life. The video discusses the expansion of the universe driven by dark energy. It examines the influence of dark matter in shaping the cosmic web of filaments and voids. Throughout the video, stunning visuals and state-of-the-art animations immerse viewers in the cosmic wonders. The captivating soundtrack enhances the viewing experience, evoking awe and wonder. It celebrates scientific exploration and invites contemplation of the profound mysteries that lie beyond our understanding.